WhatsApp is a popular messaging app used by millions of people worldwide. It offers a wide range of features that make communication easy and convenient. One of those features is the ability to write messages in italics. In this video tutorial, we'll show you how to write messages in italics on WhatsApp. Step 1. Open WhatsApp. Firstly, open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Step 2. Go to the chat you want to send a message to navigate to the chat where you want to send the italicized message. Step 3. Type in your message. Type in the message you want to send as you normally would. Step 4. Insert the underscore symbol to make your text italicized. Insert the underscore symbol, underscore, before and after the text you want to format. For example, if you want to make the word example italicized, type it like this. Example. Step 5. Send the message. As soon as you insert the underscore symbols, WhatsApp will recognize it as an italicized font and modify the text accordingly. Now you can send the message as you normally would. Pro tip. You can combine bold and italicized text by using both formatting options. Simply insert both the asterisk and underscore symbols before and after the text you want to format. Conclusion. Writing messages in italics on WhatsApp is a simple feature that can make your messages more expressive. With just a few easy steps, you can add emphasis to your text and make your messages stand out. We hope you found this tutorial helpful and easy to follow. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one.